Hello and welcome to Erin Lee's Beauty. I'm Erin, in case you might have guessed. And today I'm going to be reviewing the products that I was using from Pat McGrath. And I just got back from my trip yesterday and I was really tired, so I did sleep a little bit. But just to let everyone know, it's really not in the best standing right now. The situation is not ideal. The family has asked me to keep somewhat discretion, so I will be doing that. However, I did want to let everyone know if I do seem a little down or not quite myself for a while, that's just because we have some stuff going on here, and I do apologize for that. And I thank everyone for hanging with me throughout this. I really appreciate it. So let's go ahead and get into what I had got from Pat McGrath eyeshadow. I got the Sublime eyeshadow palette. And yes, my son did put his little fingers in there, which was frustrating. Let's talk about it. It's an all shimmer palette. That's one thing I don't really like per se. I like to mix a little bit of mattes in with my shimmers. But quality was okay. I felt like these colors weren't the most beautiful, even though they look pretty versatile in the pan. I didn't like the way they looked. I think this eyeshadow is okay. For $14, yeah, definitely worth it. But for the bigger palettes, if it's going to be the same quality, I'm not so sure it would be worth it. And the next that I have are the lipstick trio that I got from her. It's the minis, but I really did enjoy them. For me, the color was not only really pretty, like I have the red on now, but it went on really smooth, and I felt like my lips were moisturized when I used it, which I don't find in a lot of lipsticks, which I really did like that. So I say, hey, if you got the money and you want to get the full one, it's a really good lipstick. I like the quality of these lipsticks. Moving on to lip gloss. Honestly, nothing too like fancy. And honestly, these lip glosses were like nothing special to me. They were good, but like not like I would buy a full size good. You know what I mean? Like they're okay. Some of them definitely had more color in them than others, but they were good. So overall, with the Pat McGrath makeup, I can say I'm not really like a huge fan. Like I get she's a mother of makeup, but to me it wasn't like an amazing experience. But that's why I try all these things out, because I was curious about it, because she's the mother of makeup. You know, she does the makeup for the runways and everything. So I was curious about it, and I'm sure some people out there were too. So at least now you know what I think about it anyway. And next I'm going to be uploading my Allure beauty subscription. So if you want to see more videos like that or this, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching.